So now let's see how we can work around with save and save as option inside of Photopea. So let's say I want to save this particular edit right here. So let's say I go around and make some edit and I want to save it. In that case, I can go around onto the file menu right here and click on save right here. And what happens is that I can simply go around and save changes to the default image. But what I may also want to do is save it out as a different file. In that case, I can go around onto the file menu, and here you can see that save as PSD is an option. If I were to go around onto save as PSD right here, then you can see that I have an option to save it out in a separate location right here. Let's say, for example, in tutorial folder, I can simply go around and save it as sample project right here, just like this. Then if I were to go around and hit save, then you can see that this particular file is saved as another file right there, and the original file is not changed. You can also go around and save more right here, like you can go around and save PSD to storage around over here as well. And let's say, for example, load this device right here, edit out the file, and over here you can go around and say sample PSD1 as well. You can also save it onto different cloud drives, as you can see right here. So save more, and you can also save PSD, PSB right here, just like this, and then save sample project 1 right here and save it out right here in different locations as well. You can put it into zip right here. You can remove smart object pixels or zip for pixel data and modify it out as well. You can even save it into PSV file, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, save more right here, save to storage, I can even select out Google Drive, let's say, for example, right here, and load Google Drive right here. So if I were to go around and load the Google Drive using TTTube right here, then this is what you have. And you can go around and directly save out the file right there. So that is how you can go around and utilize the save and save as option inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.